Here's what moved markets today. US equity markets declined following political statements announcing a unilateral ceasefire extension, with reports indicating limited diplomatic progress. Brent crude traded near $98 per barrel, reflecting persistent energy market uncertainty amid ongoing regional tensions. Bitcoin rose above $78,000, with the move coinciding with total cryptocurrency market capitalization approaching $2.7 trillion. The price recovery follows a period of consolidation and reverses recent declines from higher levels. Liquid staking protocol Kelp DAO experienced a security breach, resulting in approximately $292 million in asset losses from its ETH product. DeFi lending platform Aave recorded 100% utilization rates in affected markets as the incident tightened available borrowing liquidity. The exploit highlights ongoing smart contract security risks in decentralized finance infrastructure. Russian regulatory authorities advanced digital asset frameworks, enabling cryptocurrency usage in international trade settlements. The policy development reflects efforts to establish alternative payment mechanisms amid ongoing economic restrictions affecting traditional banking channels. New York State Attorney General filed lawsuits against cryptocurrency exchanges Coinbase and Gemini, alleging the platforms operated prediction market services without proper gaming licenses. The legal action addresses jurisdictional questions around event outcome trading and state gambling regulations. Survey data of Japanese institutional investors showed nearly 80% plan to establish cryptocurrency portfolio allocations within 3 years, according to industry research. The findings reflect growing institutional consideration of digital assets in traditional asset management frameworks within the jurisdiction. Looking at this morning's price action as of 10:50 Central European Time, gains and losses are relatively balanced at the extremes. Starknet up 10.28%, Eigenlayer adding 9.95%, and Pudgy Penguins gaining 7.50%. High single to double-digit strength across Layer 2 infrastructure, restaking protocols, and NFT-linked tokens. On the downside, Namada leads decliners at 10.48%, with Alephium off 3.32% and Stellar declining 1.39%. Double-digit losses at the top of the range matching the magnitude of gains, though selling is concentrated in fewer protocols while upside participation is broader. The pattern shows positive asymmetry returning after yesterday's balanced conditions, with meaningful gains emerging across multiple protocols while selling remains concentrated. Market structure reflects renewed constructive positioning, though the presence of a 10% decliner indicates rotation and profit-taking continue alongside the broader risk-on tone. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index jumps to 61, crossing into greed territory for the first time since early March. The 5-point surge from yesterday's 56 marks a significant psychological threshold, with sentiment moving beyond neutral into the lower end of the greed zone. The index has now climbed 33 points from the 28 low reached in early April, representing a complete reversal from deeply defensive fear into constructive greed. Market psychology has shifted decisively over the past 3 weeks, with the move above 60 confirming sustained improvement beyond temporary escapes from fear territory. While the advance to 61 represents meaningful progress, conditions remain at the lower boundary of greed rather than approaching the extreme greed levels above 75. The breakthrough into greed territory suggests improved risk appetite has achieved durability, though the sustainability of this sentiment will be tested by upcoming geopolitical developments and market reactions to the ceasefire expiration. That's your Bitcoin Suisse daily market update for today. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe for your daily briefing from the natives.